Okay, hi everyone. Today I will continue on another example of quantity discount, but this time the H is depend on the price, so H is not fixed. So they have a different calculation for this. Okay, these are the question. Okay, from the question we can see that we have the annual demand. Okay, and then these are the quantity given. These are the order size. Okay, we need to test uh, our queue to get the discount, and then we have different price, and our demand is 5,000 per year, and then S our ordering cost is 49, and H is 20% of the price. Okay, so H is not fixed, so H depends on the price. So these are the information that we have. These are the table. And we need to calculate for every discount since H is different. So we have different value of H. Okay, so the formula that we need to use for the optimal Q with the I, in which the percentage, and P is the price. Okay, for the first price of 5 ringgit, so we have our Q, optimal Q is 700. And then we're going to test with the order size in which 0 to 99, and yes, we can buy at 700. And for the second one, we need to calculate the Q again because the H is different. This time is 20% of 4 ringgit 80 cent. So our Q optimal is 714. Okay, now we tested with our range, and we found out that we need to do some adjustment, and the minimum that we can buy is 1,000. And then we need to calculate for the third one when the H is 20% of 4 ringgit 75 cent, and then the Q is 718. Then we test with the range, and we need to do some adjustment here. So we're going to be 2,000. Okay, so we're going to do the total cost calculation. Okay, these are the total cost formula for the quantity discount. And for this part is fixed from the table. Okay, Q we have calculated and adjusted. Okay, before this. And then H, remember H changes with the price. So I add another column here so that I won't get confused for the H value. And then for the first H, for the 5 ringgit, we have 1 ringgit, 20% of 5. And then for the 4 ringgit 80 cent, 20% of this, we got 96 cent. And then for 20% of 4 ringgit 75, we have 95 cent. And then we can start to calculate the ordering cost, annual holding cost, and then annual product cost to get the total cost. Okay, so when we do the calculation, these are the total, and we need to find the minimum total. So it's 24,725 ringgit is the lowest. And how to summarize it? We need to buy 1,000 unit and 480 to get the lowest total cost. So that is the example when we have H is not fixed. It means that it depends on the price that offered to you. Okay, so don't get confused with the earlier example on the quantity discount in which our H is fixed. So we need to calculate Q just one Q, and we need to test for each range. And for this case, we need to recalculate the Q because H have different value. So that's all. So hope you understand. Thank you.